Okay, this is just a simple view of a distiller. It's basically a pressure cooker distiller. All you really have is the pressure cooker. It's on a hot plate. You got your copper tubing that comes up, goes across, comes down. Okay, now this is a cooling sleeve right here. This pipe, this copper pipe, goes all the way through to down there. And what I've got is cold water being pumped from that valve right there, that fitting. It comes into the bottom and it's being pumped straight up and out the top where the hot water would be. And then it comes back around, goes into this overflow right here, and it runs back into the bucket, your cooling bucket. Now what you see down here is that there is a little pump, and it's got a connection, a clear tube that connects to this fitting. Now what's neat about these air fittings, and I've never seen them used like this, but when you disconnect this, say if I wanted to move this bucket, you can disconnect this. When you pull it back and pull this out, nothing leaks out of the bucket. It won't come out. Same thing with the top. If there was water on this side, there wouldn't be any leakage here. So I can move the bucket, disconnect it, move it, refill it, whatever. And it's really pretty simple. This is just PVC pipe here. What you do, what I did to make this stand, it's screwed down so I can move this board that it's all sitting on at one time without the bucket on it. You cut about a third of the fitting off, and that way it acts like a snap clamp. This fitting will just, this cooling tube will just snap into that. And the only little bit tricky thing, but it's really not, you have to drill out. This is a 3/8 to 1/2 inch compression. You have to drill out the inside, which doesn't take any time. Just use the right size bit, drill it out. It's got a little notch in there that would stop this copper pipe from going all the way through. You drill that out, both of those. That way your copper pipe can go right down through the middle and all the way out the bottom. And as you can see, this has been running about 20 minutes, and I've almost got a full jar right there. It is just about full. In fact, it's above the drip line. But another neat thing is the water coming out of here is going to be hot. It's going to be hot because it's circulating around that hot copper pipe that runs through the middle of the cooling jacket. So you need to cool it. You can use ice cubes, you can buy ice, you can use them out of your freezer, but they melt pretty quick. Now what I did is I just bought a $1 pack of balloons, and you can make like an ice ball any size you want. That's basically what this is. This is just a water balloon filled up with water and frozen, and then you just peel the balloon off, and what you have there is just a ball of ice. Let's see if I can pick it up. Okay, that's what you've got. It's just a big ball of ice. So you can put that in your bucket, take the balloon off, and now you've got ice that'll last a long time. It didn't cost pretty much nothing. Just put some water in a balloon, and then that keeps it cool. And that's pretty much it.